Hey guys, excuse the... What is wrong with my lighting? Focus on me. Alright, take two. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, as the title itself say, we are going to pack my makeup. We're gonna move all of my makeup to the farm, and currently it's a freaking mess. As you can see, there's so much stuff. These two drawers right here, that one and this one, is packed with stuff, and on my filming studio there's more. So let's get started. Hello, welcome to my life. Anyway, let's start with this drawer right here. This drawer right here is full of palettes. I have my bubble wrap here. I have my box where I'm gonna put stuff. I'm just gonna layer all of my palettes. I don't know if this video is gonna be fun. This is like a puzzle, y'all. We always forget to count our blessings more than we should. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. So yeah, back to as I was saying, I started kind of panicking because I was like, oh my gosh, we're gonna move. It's gonna be a big change, and how are we gonna survive? I feel like I'm talking so much. But anyway, one of the reasons why I love this place and I'm having a hard time letting go is because it's so peaceful here. Like really, it's so peaceful. The malls are so quiet and so relaxing to go to, which I love and I'm obsessed with. And the city that we're gonna go in next is a main city. Main cities are chaotic in nature. I know it's first world problems, but say whatever you want. I'm sad. There's that. I'm so proud of my packing. Like, it looks so good. Hopefully, oh, there's more. Didn't realize there's more. Hopefully it'll all go as smooth as we expect it to be. I'll put some... Look how proud I am with my packing. Like, look at that. That's intact there. That's layers of bubble wraps and palettes. If you all have been with me since day one, you remember this palette. Like, you remember the stuff that I used to do with my face using this.
Contour, I'm going to use my Too Faced Cocoa Contour Kit, and I'm going to use the medium cocoa here. Wow! As long as that's how I contour. And I want to contour downwards, but you know, I feel like it's not really that intense. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more. I'm not gonna blend it.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich. Now for bronzing, I'm going to use my Too Faced Cocoa Contour Kit. Now bronzing is just making your face warm since you pack on foundation. You want a little bit of warmth there, girl. You don't want to look pale during your day. So I am going to line this first. And then blend it upward.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
It's pretty scary. If you all remember this was so hyped, and it's one of the worst palettes there is. So I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay, one drawer is empty, second drawer is empty. Oh my gosh, I'm packing. This thing is getting really heavy. We will handle this with care because if not, all of them are gonna crumble and crush, and we don't want that. I don't know about you guys, but I do believe in climate change. This is gonna be a random rambles while packing. I believe in climate change, and we've been having a taste of it for the past couple years. If polar bears go extinct, it's just gonna be a matter of time before we humans go extinct as well. But if humans go extinct, the world would be a better place. Some parts of the world this year are much colder and more ice than the Arctics. Now if that doesn't bother you, I don't know what else. Anyway, let's change topic. Okay, so one box down. So all 3 drawers are empty. I'm proud of myself because this drawer is the most packed out of the 2 drawers that we're about to examine. The next ones that we're gonna do are these. I'll take this off like this, and then just put that straight in the box. What do you think about my idea? Like, you think this will work? Because look at that, it fits so perfect on the box. And I'll just probably stack so much bubble wrap so that, you know, I can finish this whole thing in one scoop. I never thought I'd be able to use this, but I will use this. Y'all, this is why recycling is very important, because a lot of these stuff you can reuse. Me and my husband recycle so much. We barely have any trash to throw. Our neighbors put out a full bin of trash 3 times a week, and that's a lot. Let me just show you what I'm doing right here. I'm taking a tiny bit of this styrofoam, and I don't know if you can see that, you know, there's spaces there. Look what I just did to this one. See? Put the same here, so that it won't move. We'll be doing the same thing all over these places so that it's immovable. You get the point, right? It's good enough. Look at what I did. Really making sure that this is flat as can be. You guys, it's really working. Oh, look at this. It's so flat. Like, these are foams from my BoxyCharm box, and I'm able to reuse them. Oh my gosh, so nice. So I'm gonna be doing the same thing with this, and I'll be back, okay? Because I need to charge. Hi, I'm back. Right now, it is currently 11 in the evening. I was able to finish packing 3 makeup boxes, and I was able to set aside also lots of boxes for recycling and makeup packaging for recycling. Like, for example, this is a carton, definitely, so it's recyclable. I save all of these. I flatten them out. Even the big boxes, like the Ulta boxes, Sigma, every kind of a packaging box. So I flatten those up so that it will be like much easier to handle and much more compressed and much more space practical. And right now, I am hungry. So we're gonna eat some pandesal that I got from Philstop. This pandesal from Philstop is amazing. It makes me feel so important. I feel like I'm such an important person to have pandesal here in the United States. Oops. And I have my corned beef right here. I like my corned beef sweet. I don't know, I kind of just grew up like that. My siblings, especially Samantha and Sophia, used to always want me to cook the corned beef whenever it's our ulam for the day, because they know I'll make it sweet. But Tatay does not like it sweet. And when Tatay's around, it's a very tense moment back then because he was very strict and he did not like sweet corned beef. And so I have no choice but to cook the salty one. Anyway, what am I talking? Let's eat. That's good. I have orange juice here too. I'm actually proud because I almost finished this one drawer, and that I'm almost done as well. So I'm like, ah. Also, while I'm packing, I'm also watching TFC Vice Ganda. It's either Showtime or Gandang Gabi Vice. This is really good.